Hello everyone, welcome to Best T-shirt Designs. I am Tanvir. If you are new to my channel, I create T-shirt design tutorials, so consider subscribing for latest update. So in today's video, I am going to talk about how we can work on Microstock websites. So Microstock websites are the kind of websites where we, as a graphic designer, you can upload your graphic design work, and if anyone downloads it from there, you will get a commission. So that's what Microstock is. To start working on Microstock websites, we need to understand some key points, some key elements. I will discuss about them, but before starting the process, I am going to show you that these are some example Microstock websites like FreePic, you can say, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Creative Fabrica, and there are thousands of other Microstock websites, but these are the most demanding websites. So to start working on Microstock websites, we need to understand some elements like niche. We need to understand example designs. We need to create designs. We need to upload them. So this is going to be a step-by-step series. I am going to make a step-by-step tutorials. But before starting or before thinking to start on Microstock website, let me show you something. So these are some earnings from my current Microstock accounts. So in this account, this is a FreePic account. I uploaded almost 441 designs here, and from there I get 1900 downloads and I get $120 from these downloads. So this is not very good, but you know, FreePic is the most popular website. But this one is Shutterstock. I uploaded 233 designs. As you can see, these are the designs, so you will find them as a tutorial in my channel. So I uploaded them, and from there, from these files, I get almost 1800 downloads and $953. So this is my Creative Fabric account. Here I uploaded 149 designs and I get $567. So these are very small amounts I am showing you here. So you need to understand that Microstock is not a instant income website or instant income method. So you need to keep working here. You need to give it time and you need to give it good designs, and then with time you will start to getting downloads, and when you get some good amount of download, you can make some extra earnings. So this is not something instant income source or instant income system. If you want some instant income, you can work as a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork or different websites like that. So Microstock is for graphic designer who gets some extra time in their hand and they can create some designs. So to start working on Fiverr, let me say, you need to maintain a time zone. You need to stay online for a selected time. You need to get the order from someone. You need to understand the requirement, and then you need to make a design for them, and if they likes the design, you get some instant earning like $10 to $50 or anything. But here on Microstock, you don't need to work with anyone. You will just make whatever you find right, and no one is going to ask you to modify that. So you can work anytime you want, anywhere you want. So that means Microstock gives us the flexibility, but the earning is a bit low here. So if you are okay with that, and if you have some extra time, you want to start working on Microstock, then this series is going to be helpful for you. So for starting the design process, I am going to talk about the first option here, which is a niche. So we need to understand what is a niche. So niche is something that we do, or anyone does, that is a niche. That means if you love doing something, we can call it a niche. If you love playing football, if you love your job, if you love your dog, all of them are niche. So to understand niche or finding niche, you can search like that PART t-shirt niche list. Here you will find different websites. Let me go to this website. This one is a good website, and this is the T-shirt Academy. There is a channel on YouTube. If you want, you can follow that. So okay, so this is the niche list here, as you can see. Okay, here. So these are all the niche. This 100 days of school, 3D printing, history, hitchhiking. So everything is a niche. You can choose any niche you want. Anything that you like, you can work with that. Let me say baking is a niche, bacon is a niche, lifeguard, librarian, lifted truck, everything is a niche here. So you can pick any one and you can work with that. So for understanding niche, you can go to this article too. This is another good example of niche. As you can see, the gaming niche. So gaming is a uprising industry, and nowadays everyone is a gamer. They are streaming in the channel and they want their merchandise. So gaming is a good niche. There is a niche pets and dogs. That means pet is the name of the niche. Let me say dog is the name of the niche, but there are many subcategories under dog. That means you may have a German Shepherd, you may have a bulldog, you may have a pug. So all these different name of the dogs is a different niche. You can work as a dog, or you can work you can work as a I love dogs. That will include all the dogs. But if you work like I love German Shepherd, that will specify the dog breed. So all the breeds are a different niche. You can see activism and social cause. These are also niche. Black Lives Matter, or maybe mental health awareness, anything you can think of. Also there is a good niche, families and couples. So you may have seen this kind of design. I have been called a lot of names, but God knows Papa is my favorite. So this is for dad. You can make it uncle, you can make it grandpa. So this is how you can modify the niche. So once you have a good understanding of the niche, or if you don't, let me say you don't understand it, that is not also a problem. So we just need a niche name. Okay, so let me say we are going to pick a niche from here. Let's say we can take beekeeping. So beekeeping is called whoever works with bees. This is called the beekeeping niche, and I don't know what a beekeeping is, but I want to work with this. So first step is selecting your niche. I am selecting beekeeping for my niche here, and now you need to go to, let's say, Amazon. So come to Amazon, and then from here delivery to, it is showing Bangladesh, from as I am from Bangladesh, and whoever you are, wherever you are from, just click on this and then type in here 10,001 and apply. That will set our zip code or location to United States. And I am doing this because now whatever I will search, I will see the result that is ready to ship to New York. So if it was like India or Pakistan or Bangladesh, then I will only see the product that is available for our country. But I want to make it available for America. So that's why I am picking this one here. Also you can come to Etsy, and here from Etsy you can change the location to United States as well, something like this, and save it. So it is going to do the same. Now I have a niche here which is beekeeping. I am copying this. Now if you come to Amazon and if you click here, this is the trend right now. These are all the trending searches right now. So I'm going to paste my beekeeping here, and then I am going to search for t-shirt. You can search for beekeeping t-shirt for women, for men, anything. I am just searching for beekeeping t-shirt. So as you can see, these are all the t-shirts available for beekeeping niche. That means you can see there is a bee here, honeycomb here, maybe a USA flag made with bees and honeycomb. So all these charts you can see, these are all for beekeeping niche. So you can do the same for here, beekeeping t-shirt, and you will find tons of different examples from here, something similar to the Amazon designs. You can see this one is already on Amazon, also it is on in Etsy. So here again on Redbubble you can do the same. Let's say t-shirt, this is print on demand, so we don't need to search for design. So you can see these are all the beekeeping t-shirts. So we understand what is a niche, or we selected a niche. Now what I should do is I need to get some designs. I need to collect some design examples. So these are the example designs I have here. So let me just save it, something like this, maybe here. Okay, so let me make a folder here, save it in this folder, the bee guy, or any design. Just try to make 50 to 100 designs for every niche you are going to select. So one more thing here I need to say, that you don't need to worry about which niche is going to work better or which is not. You just need to find a good niche which have not many competition here. As you can see, only 614 results here. Let's say if I search for dog t-shirt here, that would go like 2000 results here. So I don't want that. I want something that is minimal, and I can have a low competition here. So something like that. This is another good example. Let's save it. So just save 50 to 100 designs from all these websites. This is a good design. Beekeeper, if I run, you run. never underestimate the old man with bees. So anyway, these are all the examples. So you need to collect 50 designs or 50 examples for any niche you are going to work with, and this is how you will have a collection of designs for a specific niche. So let's say I am going to, okay, so big food is a good niche. Let's say I'm going with mental health. So again, I am going to search here mental health, t-shirt. So as you can see, all these are mental health t-shirt designs, and I am going to collect 50 different designs from for this niche. If I am not getting enough designs from Amazon, I will go to Etsy, I will go to Redbubble, and then you can simply download from here. But one more thing you can see from Amazon is like there is a, this is called the BSR rank. So BSR rank is the best seller rank. That means whatever design have this number here, they are getting sales. That means if I can see a number for this design, that means this design is being sold, someone is buying this design, that means this is a good design. So you can search like this, let's say big mental health t-shirt designs. You can search on Google, but there will be tons of thousands of different design examples here, but you don't know which one is really getting sold or which one is doing really good. I don't know that, or anyone cannot tell which is doing great. But if you search on Amazon like this, you will see the BSR rank, and for to view this or to get this BSR rank, you need another extension which is called DS Amazon Quick View. Just search like this and then add this extension to your browser. I have already added it. So, and that will show us this BSR rank. That means if a design is had some BSR rank like this, you don't need to understand what this is, but if any design has this number, that means it is getting sold. So this is a good design, we can work with that. We will just take inspiration from that design, we will use that quote, and in this way there will be no copyright issues because these designs are already copyright checked, and that's why someone uploaded them to here on March by Amazon or Amazon March on Demand, whatever you say, or Redbubble or Etsy. So one more thing I need to clarify here, that this is called print on demand. The designs we are seeing right now, this is print on demand. That means someone uploaded this design to March by Amazon or Etsy or Redbubble. They are doing print on demand. We are not doing print on demands. We are doing microstock. That means we will upload our designs to, let's say, okay, I don't know what happens. Okay, so we are not doing print on demand. So we will upload our designs to Microstock websites like Shutterstock or Creative Fabrica. Then someone who is doing print on demand, they will buy our designs from there and they will upload it here on Amazon March or Redbubble or other websites like this. So I will make another series about print on demand, but this one is all about Microstock. So for this one, now we understand what is a niche, how to collect different designs for a different niche. So that's it for this part. I will talk about the next part in the next video. Thank you guys.